Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. Remember, if you like this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online language lessons we offer. In one of my classes yesterday, we got talking about what sudden, overnight success can do to people. And we were talking particularly about young people who maybe work in the entertainment business, they're actors or musicians, or also maybe they're footballers, and suddenly, very quickly, they achieve overnight fame. They become rich and successful very, very quickly in a short period of time. And we were talking about how difficult it can be in these situations to keep your feet on the ground, to stay grounded, to try and make sure you're down to earth, and that you don't start getting airs and graces and acting like you're some kind of megastar. Sadly, of course, as I'm sure you know, many people in this position find that the success and that fame and fortune go to their head quite quickly. If success or fame and fortune go to your head, basically, you start becoming too proud. You start thinking that you're better than you really are. You start losing touch with reality. You start getting complacent. You get lazy. You start resting on your laurels. And once that happens, of course, basically, you're finished, because someone younger than you and hungrier than you will be coming up behind you, ready to snatch your crown from off your head. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to hear examples of times when fame and fortune and success have gone to people's heads.